Christmas, Ram.
Merry Christmas, though, Ram. Go ahead, get your toy.
Merry Christmas, love.
Merry Chrysler, love.
Look what your mama got you.
All the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me, is anybody there? Save me, I'm running out of air.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler. Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. Merry Christmas. So today we have got so much stuff planned. We already opened our Christmas presents that you guys seen earlier. Really liked our gifts. Thank you, everybody. And now we're gonna go to the Pepper Mill to get a massage. Probably hang out for 30 minutes, an hour. We'll see how much time we have, and then we will go snowboarding. So yeah, that's the day.
Hell yeah.
It's so dark out here in space. And it's been so long since I've seen a face. My eyes are shut, but I can see the void between you and me.
We are back from our massages, and I feel like a brand new person. Nick is on a manhunt right now. Witch hunt
A witch hunt.
for some food, even
Nothing's
though
open 'cause it's Christmas.
nothing's
Turn right
open
onto
because
South
it's
Park Street. Then turn right onto Mill Street.
So I decided instead I would just fill up on beer.
But we are like 44, 45-ish minutes away
40-ish.
from...
Turn left onto Ryland Street.
Oh my God.
Then turn left on.
Shut up, you loud bitch. God, you're a loud bitch.
We're about 45 minutes away from North Star. So I guess we're gonna pick up some brews and then head up so that way we can go snowboarding.
Chuck beers in the parking lot like fucking, like goddamn hoodlums. We're back, and we're gonna make some dinner here.
Christmas dinner.
We got taters, big old steak, some bacon wrapped asparagus.
From yours truly and Nicholas.
From yours truly.